Because we had the majority, nabalik po tayo as education chairperson.
Okay, so what happens now? How does that affect the committee that the minority or the Cayetano bloc refuses to acknowledge the Gatchalian bloc? How does that affect your job?
Well, unang-una, Karen, special session, mafo-formalize na yung pag-elect ng bagong Senate President, no? Now, in the case na hindi mangyari yon, pagdating in the Cayetano block, so kahit anong mangyari, pag nagsimula, di ba, ang tanong na lang dyan, magagawa ba yan this June or at the soonest possible time? Sa tingin ko, mangyayari yan at pag masabi ngang back to business at bumalik sa pagtatrabaho para sa bayan.
So may isa pa kayo na inaasahan mula sa Cayetano. So si Senator Loren Bato, Senator Joel.
At doon na lang sa araw na yon, Karen. No? But I'm hoping,
But why would they
praying,
transfer?
expecting.
I'm curious,
Well,
Senator.
ito
Why?
okay. So, ang rami nangyari. May putukan, may samaan ng loob, may naghamunan. Arami nangyari. But I think the hair that broke amin, at alam ko kahit yung iba sa mga kasama namin sa kabilang grupo, yung hindi pagpasok. You know, 3 araw kaming hindi nag-session. Namin sila, yung mayorya nung panahong yon, hindi sila sumipot, hindi ba nagpasabi na hindi sila pupunta. On June 2, pumasok at naghihintay pa rin kami. On June 3, nangyari na nga yung pumasok. So, para sa marami sa mga taong matagal na...
No?
Well, iba yung senador, iba rin yung mga secretariat, yung mga taong nagtatrabaho nila na magtatatlong araw na walang session. In fact, on that 3rd day, kung hindi kami nag-session, we were already invited sunod na hindi kayo nagsisession, no? So, nung pangatlong araw na yon, we were able to na-cure namin yung pagiging violative of the constitute, the quorum and the majority, and we were able to hopefully, alam na yung Abilino Cuenco, di ba? Alam na yung Abilino Cuenco, alam na yung we stand on good legal ground. At maraming sumang-ayon sa amin. 13 na kami.
You
no?
feel it will be unquestionable.
Of course. Tayo, hopefully, we're praying for that and we're hoping for that. At pag nangyari na yan, kaya focus on the reforms na kailangan ng tao.
Okay, so why do you think it state the number 13? It states a majority of course, who can vote. Kasi pag may namatay, out na yon. Right?
I agree with that interpretation, di ba? Pero sa kapag 13 kayo. Okay, right now, ang pwedeng gawin ng kabilang grupo, pwedeng Cuenco, so jurisprudence,